So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a full review of a tool called GrokMAX. I just came across this and I wanted to share my honest thoughts on it with you guys. What it is, what it does, whether it's actually worth it or not. So just stick with me till the end of this video because I'm going to cover everything you need to know before you decide to get it. So let's get into it. So first, let me tell you what GrokMAX actually is. You know how Elon Musk built his own AI company called Grok, the one that lives inside X, which used to be called Twitter? Well, normally, if you want to use that AI properly, you have to pay Elon's company directly, right? And that can cost you anywhere from $40 a month all the way up to $300 a month, depending on which version you want. That's a lot of money every single month just for one tool. Now, what GrokMAX does is it gives you access to all of that, every single Grok model Elon has ever built. But instead of paying monthly, you just pay one time and you are done. No monthly bills, no subscription, nothing like that. You pay once and you get to use it forever. Alright, so let's get into what you actually get inside GrokMAX because there is quite a bit packed in here. The first and most important thing is access to Grok 4 and something called Grok 4 Heavy. Grok 4 is basically the main, most powerful version of the AI, the one that handles big, complex tasks really well. Now, Grok 4 Heavy is where it gets interesting. What this does is it sends your question to multiple AI agents at the same time, and they basically debate each other and compare answers before giving you the final response. So instead of just one AI thinking about your question, you have got like a whole team of AIs working on it together. Normally, this level of access costs $300 a month directly from Elon's company, but it's included inside GrokMAX. Then there is Grok 3, which is the older but still very capable version. This one is much faster, so if you just need a quick answer or want to get something done in seconds, this is the one you would switch to. Now, beyond just the text AI, GrokMAX also comes with Grok Imagine, which is an image generator built right into the dashboard. So if you need to create an ad, a thumbnail, a social media graphic, you just describe what you want and it makes it for you. No need to pay separately for tools like Midjourney. There is also Grok Video, which lets you type out a description and it generates a short video clip from it. And then Grok Voice, which lets you actually speak to the AI out loud and it talks back to you in real time, kind of like having a conversation with a real person. But honestly, the biggest feature of all, and this is what makes Grok different from every other AI out there, is the real-time connection to X, which is Twitter. Every other AI tool you have used is trained on old data, sometimes months or even a year old. But Grok is actually pulling live information from X right now as you are using it. So if something just went viral 5 minutes ago, Grok already knows about it. So for content creators and marketers, that's a huge advantage. And last but not least, everything you create inside GrokMAX comes with a commercial license. That means you can use whatever it generates for your clients, sell it, put it in your products, and you keep every single penny. No extra fees, no restrictions. Now, let's talk about the price because this is probably the part that's going to surprise you the most. When I went to the sales page, they were showing a one-time price of just $17. Not $17 a month, $17 once, and that's it. You never pay again. Now, when you think about the fact that getting all these Grok models directly from Elon's company would cost you anywhere, between $300 to $400 every single month, that's honestly a pretty crazy difference in price. On top of the main tool, you also get a bunch of bonuses thrown in. Things like a step-by-step blueprint showing you how to actually make money with GrokMAX, a big library of ready-made content templates, a collection of over 300 prompts you can just copy and paste to get the best results, and a 30-day challenge that's supposed to help you hit your first using the tool. So it's not just the software, they are giving you a whole starter pack to go along with it. And if you try it and you are not happy with it for any reason, they say you can ask for a full refund within 30 days, no questions asked. So there is really no risk on your end. You can try it out, test it properly, and if it doesn't work for you, you just get your money back. So that's my full review of GrokMAX. And honestly, if you are someone who creates content, runs ad, or does any kind of online marketing, or just want an AI that actually gives you real answers without all the filters and restrictions, I think this is genuinely worth checking out, especially at the price they're offering right now. Now, here is something I want to mention before you go. If you decide to grab GrokMAX through my link down in the description, I am personally throwing in 21 exclusive bonuses on top of everything you already get. We're talking things like social media marketing tools, email and SMS marketing platforms, a complete guide to YouTube marketing, traffic generation strategies, sales scripts for DMs, email marketing training, and a whole lot more. These are tools and trainings that are actually useful for growing an online business, not just random stuff thrown together. I have listed all 21 bonuses with full details on my Medium page, so the link for that is also in the description if you want to go check exactly what you are getting. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more reviews like this one. I will see you in the next one.